Hello and welcome to Academy's YouTube channel. In today's Adobe Photoshop tutorial, we'll learn how to fix pixelated images in Photoshop using both Photoshop AI method for a quick cleanup and a manual upscale method for pixelated images. For more design tutorials and Photoshop tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to Academy's channel. And if there is a Photoshop tool you'd like us to cover next, tell us in the comment section below. Let's start with the AI method. I've opened this image. The resolution looks fine, but the quality is low. So we're seeing lots of JPEG blocks. First, make a copy of the background layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Now go to Filter, Neural Filters, turn on JPEG Artefacts Removal. Use the strength slider to control how much cleanup you want. Now zoom in and compare the before and after. You'll see the blocks reduce and the image looks much cleaner. One tip, set the output to Smart Filter so you can adjust the strength later. Hit OK, and that's the quick AI assisted fix. Now let's do the manual method for pixelated images. First, go to Photoshop Preferences, Technology Previews, and enable Preserve Details 2.0. Now go to Image, Image Size, make sure Resample is checked and choose Preserve Details 2.0. Increase the image resolution so the longest edge is around 3000 pixels or more. Use the Reduce Noise slider to balance sharpness and smoothness. Around 50% is a good starting point. Hit OK. To sharpen it slightly, duplicate the layer using Ctrl or Command J. Go to Filter, Other, High Pass, set a radius where you can see detail. Then change the blend mode to Overlay. Lower the opacity or fill if it looks too strong. And that's how you take a low quality JPEG to a high quality JPEG in Photoshop using two methods. Photoshop Neural Filters for quick artifact cleanup and Preserve Details 2.0 for upscaling pixelated images. Watch this space for more quick and super easy videos on Photoshop for beginners. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Academy's YouTube channel for more design related content. See you soon. Happy designing!